What's going on, everybody? It's Ross Ramsey here at RP Elite Motors and Marine. You can see behind me, we've got a lot of any levels. So what I want to do is I want to walk through them. They're all for sale, so come on. This one right here is a 2021 F450 Platinum. This one is pending a sale. We have done a walkthrough video of this. Check it out on our YouTube page. I'll briefly go through it. 30x16 JTXs up front, super singles, polish finish, purple windows, purple backs, all purple suspension all the way through, center cradle. And forgive me with the wind today, we're in Texas and this is a 40-mile-an-hour wind. This one does have the marine bed, the tower speakers, the whole nine. So this one is pending sale, all right? But do keep an eye on it if you want it, because sometimes deals fall through, but right now she is pending. So let's go to the next one. This truck right here, this is a 2023 F350 Lariat. This is the 4 to 17 any level. This one that we just did is a 0 to 13, so you can see the height difference here. These are true 44 1650s versus a 42 1650. So again, 30x16s all the way around. Love the windows here. This does have black windows, black inner lip. You can see a massive center cap that covers the lugs. I like that look. Powder all the way front to rear, matches the exterior of the truck. This truck has plenty of paint to match, leather interior, and you can see right here, it's large, all right? This one is available. It is for sale. Extremely, extremely nice truck. Go to the next one. This one right here is probably my favorite any level that we have here. This is a 22 450 Platinum, and again, I have a walkthrough video of this. I believe this is 101 on the paint. This is Azure Gray. They did not make this paint coat in this year model. So 22 450, probably my favorite one. Again, 30x16s polished up front, 42 1650 30 Furies. Headlights are done, paint to match mirrors. The rear of the truck, tail lights are done. All the undercarriage of this lift is done in a black powder coat. And this truck right here, if I'm taking one, I'm probably taking this one, all right? Let's get our last one over here. This is a 2023 F450 Lariat Ultimate. Very, very low miles. This one is still available, all right? We have not done a walkthrough of this one, but we will. Come up here, check it out. This is a 30x16 super single. It does have a minor concave in it. You can see your inlays in JTX are powder coated. All your inner windows, the interior side of the wheel, all done in powder coat. Your wheel powder coat matches all your any level suspension. This one does have, the axles are done, has, I want to call them silver overlays on this that accent the paint very well of the truck. You come to the rear, your big 42s in the rear with 30s. This truck does have a rear aftermarket bumper. Everything's paint to match, the handles, smoke tail lights, polished exhaust. Very cool truck. So that's going to do it for the walkthrough of these any levels. Always follow our inventory. We carry the largest selection of any levels in the country, all right? So we have these any levels here. We have a couple pending. We have more incoming, so always check back with the inventory. Give myself a call or give my brother Ryan a call. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.